Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Killer Outdoors. Hunting season is now over, and a lot of people are rabbit hunting or whatever. But I just started this year doing something with the boys they call running dogs against each other. They've been doing it for years, but this is new to me. And today, the video that you're going to see is from a guy named Marky Berry and a guy named Ronald Coles, and they're running 3/4 division, 3/4 size dogs. About around 20, anywhere from, I think, 18.5 to 21 inches. And so they go off crossings. Whatever dog crosses the road first, then whoever person's dog that is, that's the person that wins. And then try to get as many crossings as you can. And y'all will see in the first video, the first time Ronald Coles, both his dogs crossed the road first in front of Marky Berry's dogs. And so Ronald had we got a little wrestling belt going around. It's the belt for the 3/4 division. We got 3 different belts. One for the big dogs like fox dogs and whatnot. One for 3/4 and one for beagle class. And so today is 3/4 class, and I'm going to upload these videos and let y'all check them out. And y'all tell me what you think. They run all summer. I'm actually in the 3/4 class, so I'll be posting some videos of me running my dogs against people as well. Just something fun to do. You know, hunting season's over, so just want to get out there, have fun, fellowship with the boys or whatnot. So I'm gonna post these videos and y'all check it out. The first crossing I'm gonna show you is the first time they ran when Ronald Coles won, and then the videos from today when Marky Berry run when he won today. The crossing, you'll see the deer crossing the video. There was a fence that kind of held the dogs up, but Marky Berry's dogs were the first to get out to the fence, so we gave them that crossing or whatnot. But check it out. Hopefully you enjoy. And as I said, I'll be posting more videos like this throughout the summertime. Also, look forward to my fishing videos coming soon as well. So y'all stay tuned. I hope you like it. If you like it, hit the like button, subscribe, share it with somebody.
Marky, I will bust your ass for the rest of my life. And I do promise you that. And you can save this message right here. You and Cheesy, y'all two don't stand a fucking chance with me. And save this. Green.
Niggas know the champ is in here. He took it from crack to rap. Now he put out 2 anthems a year. And I just wanna rock for a century and then chase the book with the documentary. If you can't do nothing other than flow, life's a bitch like the mother from Blow. Let's go, don't make me put your heart in your lap. Up riding the beat, nigga, I parallel park on the track. Hop out looking crispy, fresh and new. And it's 6, but it's a BM and it's Pepsi Blue. And I don't know you, but I know him.
Okay, those were the results from the first run. As you can see, Ronald Coles won. Let's check out the results from the second run. All right, it's January 26th. We out here. We got a grudge race today. You got Ronald Coles against Marky Berry. This is race number 2. Ronald Coles got him on the first run. We'll put that footage up later on. But this is round 2 for the belt. So we can see what happened this morning, all right? Dead 10?
This ain't really his belt.
Hold on. Huh?
This really ain't his belt.
He said it really ain't his belt. It's a lot.
Dogs he borrowed.
Y'all can hear a lot of trash talking to it, okay?
Yes, sir. He borrows my... Go there. Go there. Go. Take. Keep going, Mark. Keep going. Walk him up.
There you go.
They're going. Walk him that way.
Come on, DJ. Come on. That's it.
They're gonna do.
Let him cross the fence. Let him cross the fence.
Get him cross. Yep.
Heck to him.
All of them right there. They're going around.
Do that count across the motherfucker?
Do you want to count the cross?
Do you want that count across?
If you want that to count across, it's a cross.
Hey!
Yeah, him already over there. Somewhere. Thought I just heard him.
She just done put her ass in his face all day. That bitch we want, yo. Kill him. Kill this motherfucker.
The man already crossed the road.
Shit.
He ain't crossed the road?
Hey, listen.
He not? He not already crossed the road?
Listen. Hey. We don't know no whole lot but no whole lot. All we know who we see.
Him up over there, I know that. What's that? What's that?
It's a dog bark.
There is a deer way in front of him.
What dog hit the road first, Alex?
Huh?
What dog hit the road just now first?
We all seen it. That oil hit the road first. Then the brown one beat across it, but
Yeah.
and look, she cut the road. I think we thought they were gonna stop. You said, that man come.
Yeah, you had it. He trying to pick up. Keep getting this motherfucker. You seeing me?
Right out here today, y'all. He's a champion, 3/4 champion, Market Bird. Yes, sir. Yep. As soon as I come back to town, I'm gonna change that, but we talk about that later. Ain't no need to talk about it till it happens. Come on back.
I'm open any day.
He said he open any day.
Anybody.
Anybody. Y'all heard it. All right, y'all. We out here today. We caught crossings, as y'all will see. Ronald Coles was the champion today.
Took a L. Took a L today.
Took a L.
Man it down.
Handed it over to Market Bird. Here's a new 3/4 champ. Got anything you want to say, Market? You don't want nothing to say? No.
Ain't nothing to say.
What's it? Say hilltop. You ain't got nothing to say. You want to thank God? Nothing like that.
Cut his head off.
You want to thank it? Now, as y'all see, Market run the second time. I think they're going to run again this coming Sunday for the tiebreaker. So y'all, it's gonna be a whole lot of trash talking on here. So that's part of the fun, you know. In my opinion, any dog that runs a deer to the gun is doing what he's supposed to do. It's a good dog. Any dog, just you put them on the ground and they do what they're supposed to do. Run the deer to the gun is a good dog. But you have those that are going to do it a little bit faster and drive a deer a little bit harder. And that's what this is all about. Good, clean fun. You know, who's got the fastest? Whose dogs are going to drive them? What dog is going to get across that crossing first, going to cross the road first, you know? That's That's what it's all about, good, clean fun. Hopefully y'all like this video, and that's what we'll do all summer, between this and fishing. So I hope y'all like it. Subscribe, hit the like button, tell somebody about it.